Welcome back to Stock Crypto World Tour with Vijay. Today we're diving into some exciting news from the Asian stock markets. The Bank of Japan has just raised its benchmark interest rate, and it's having quite an impact.
Let's break it down!
Asian stocks were higher Wednesday following the Bank of Japan's decision to raise its benchmark interest rate. This move has significant implications for the market, and it's important to understand how it affects us. Japan's benchmark Nikkei 225 recouped earlier losses, closing 1.5% higher at 39,181.82 after the central bank's decision to raise the benchmark rate to about 0.25% from 0.1%. A rate hike by the BOJ was expected to boost the yen, but since the decision was widely anticipated, the dollar actually fluctuated against the Japanese currency, trading above 150-300 yen at times and falling to 151.60 yen later. The Hang Seng in Hong Kong added 2.2% to 17,380-46, and the Shanghai Composite Index was up 2.1% at 229,3875. This rise came after official data showed China's July manufacturing activity contracted for the third straight month, fueling expectations that Beijing will need to roll out more stimulus to counter a slowdown. Australia's S&P ASX 200 advanced 1.6% to 8,080.30. After data showed the annual rate of inflation has risen to 3.8% from 3.6% when the year started. The Consumer Price Index rose 1% compared with the last quarter. In South Korea, the Kospi rose 0.9% to 2761.72 after Samsung Electronics reported a 15-fold increase in its operating profit in the last quarter. On Tuesday, the S&P 500 slipped 0.5% to 5,336.44, even though 2 out of every 3 stocks within the index rose. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 0.5% to 40,743.33, and the Nasdaq Composite sank 1.3% to 1,747.42. PayPal rose 8.6% after it topped analysts' expectations for profit during the spring and raised its forecast for profit over the full year. JetBlue Airways climbed 12.3% after reporting a profit for the spring, exceeding analysts' expectations. The Russell 2000 index of smaller stocks added 0.3% Tuesday, stretching its market-leading gain for the month to 9.5%. Expectations for a soon-to-be easier Federal Reserve have sent yields tumbling in the bond market. The yield on the 10-year Treasury fell to 4.14% from 4.17% late Monday. U.S. benchmark crude oil rose on 55 to 76.28 per barrel, and Brent crude picked up 149 to 79.56 per barrel. The euro rose to 108.25 from 108.6. So what does this mean for us as investors? The Bank of Japan's rate hike is a crucial move that can influence global markets. It's essential to stay informed and make strategic decisions based on these developments. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Stock Crypto World Tour with Vijay. Stay tuned for more updates on the stock market and cryptocurrency world. Until next time, happy investing.